wondered how to make a flavorful Chinese chicken salad at home? It all begins with the right ingredients. This vibrant dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, each playing an essential role to create a harmonious whole. We'll start with the salad. Shredded green and red cabbage, shredded chicken breast, spring onions, coriander leaves, sesame seed mix, roasted peanuts, crispy tortilla strips, and orange supreme segments. Each bite will offer a crunch, a tang, a sweetness, a hint of spice. And the dressing, the dressing! It's an aromatic blend of fresh garlic and ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. This dressing will tie all the ingredients together, transforming them from individual components into a cohesive, delicious salad. Balancing these ingredients is the key to our flavorful Chinese chicken salad. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, it's time to assemble this colorful and delicious salad. Creating the perfect Chinese chicken salad starts with combining our fresh and crunchy salad ingredients. Let's take our large bowl and start the mix. We begin with the shredded red and green cabbage, a dual-colored base that's not just eye-catching but also packed with nutrients. Next, we layer on the shredded chicken breast, a lean source of protein that's tender and delicious. Our next addition is the spring onion, adding a mild, zesty flavor that complements our salad's main components. Then we sprinkle in the coriander leaves, an aromatic herb that adds a refreshing note. We follow this with a generous portion of our sesame seed mix, roasted peanuts, and crispy fried thin tortilla strips, adding a delightful crunch to every bite. Finally, we add a burst of citrus with our orange supreme segments, a pinch of sea salt and a crack of black pepper to taste, and we have a symphony of flavors waiting to be tossed. With our salad ingredients well mixed, it's time to prepare our tantalizing dressing. The heart of any salad is its dressing. For our Chinese chicken salad, we're preparing a sweet and tangy blend. The ingredients for this dressing are fresh garlic, fresh ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. Each of these ingredients plays a crucial role in the overall flavor profile of the dressing. The fresh garlic and ginger provide a spicy kick, a perfect contrast to the sweet and smoky sesame oil. The soy sauce brings a salty umami depth, and the rice vinegar adds a tangy brightness. The brown sugar is the sweet counterpoint, balancing the other flavors and adding a bit of caramel richness. In terms of measurements, we'll be using 15 grams of fresh garlic, 5 grams of fresh ginger, 15 milliliters of sesame oil, 100 milliliters each of soy sauce and rice vinegar, and 50 grams of brown sugar. With our dressing ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a smooth and flavorful mixture. Now we're on to the exciting part, blending our dressing. This is where the magic truly happens, as we transform our carefully selected ingredients into a harmonious blend. The fresh garlic, ginger, aromatic sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar all come together in a delightful dance of flavors. So let's get started. Into our blender go the garlic and ginger, followed by the sesame oil. This gives us a wonderful base of flavor. Next, we pour in the soy sauce and rice vinegar, adding that essential tang. Finally, the brown sugar is added, lending a touch of sweetness that perfectly balances the savory elements. As we hit the blend button, we watch as the ingredients meld together, their individual identities merging into one. The result? A smooth, flavorful dressing that's just begging to be drizzled over our salad. Our dressing is now ready. It's time to combine it with our salad ingredients. The moment we've been waiting for, combining our vibrant salad with our tangy dressing. This is where the magic happens, where the fusion of flavors truly takes place, transforming our individual ingredients into a symphony of taste. First, let's take our freshly blended dressing, a delightful concoction of garlic, ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. Each ingredient in this dressing has been carefully chosen to complement and enhance the flavors of our salad. Now pour this dressing over our salad. Watch as it cascades over the shredded cabbage, chicken, spring onions, coriander leaves, sesame seeds, peanuts, crispy tortilla strips, and the beautiful orange segments. The dressing seeps into every nook and cranny, ensuring that every bite you take is bursting with flavor. Give everything a good toss until it's well coated. You'll know it's ready when you see a glossy sheen on the salad, a sure sign that it's well dressed. Our salad is now dressed and almost ready to serve, but first, let's add the final touches. Now that our salad is dressed, it's time to serve it up and add some garnish for extra flavor and visual appeal. The beauty of a well-made salad is in the details, and these final touches are what truly make our Chinese chicken salad a sight to behold. First, we'll transfer this vibrant mixture to a pretty serving dish. Use one that complements the colors of your salad, making the dish not only delicious but also visually striking. The presentation is part of the experience, after all. Now, let's sprinkle a dash of sesame seeds evenly over the top. These tiny seeds add a delightful crunch and a subtle nutty flavor that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Next, scatter a few more fresh coriander leaves. Their vibrant green color and distinctive aroma bring a refreshing note to our salad. Finally, we'll add the reserved crispy tortilla strips. Their golden color and satisfying crunch provide the perfect finishing touch. Our Chinese chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Bon appetit! Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've taken to create this delicious Chinese chicken salad. We started with a colorful array of ingredients, gathering everything from shredded cabbage and chicken to spring onions, coriander, and sesame seeds. We even added a touch of sweetness with orange segments. This flavorful medley was then tossed together, creating a vibrant base for our salad. Next, we crafted an aromatic dressing, blending fresh garlic and ginger with sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. This rich, tangy concoction was then poured over our salad, ensuring every bite would be packed with flavor. Finally, we transferred our dressed salad to a serving dish, garnished with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, a few more coriander leaves, and some crispy tortilla strips. The result? A mouth-watering Chinese chicken salad, ready to be savored. With these simple steps, you can enjoy a flavorful Chinese chicken salad anytime, right at home. Until next time, happy cooking!